Alright boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. I really like this song from Alessia Cara called Isn't It Obvious? Or Just Obvious. Very cool song. I don't know why or what is that has grown on me with this song, but just love how it goes. And actually it's very simple. It's played in the same way through the entire song, but anyway, let's go into this one. We're going clean, so no need for any capo. We have 3 different chords to handle, so that's it. Let's take a look at the G first. And I use just the first bass strings here when it comes to what part of the G chord, because the full chord looks like this, and I use just the bass strings. And that will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, because we have different notes we're gonna focus on, so that's the reason. Okay, and for next D chord, I skip the last E string down there as it should be on the 2nd E. I just go with this version of D, so that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. And then the final chord is A. Okay, so that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Okay, so let's take a look at the strumming now, and we'll apply the same principles on the first 2 chords and then use that principle on the next 2, so to speak. I'm gonna explain how. So first, let's take a look at the first 2 chords, the G to D. Okay, so what you're gonna focus on here is to play around that string, the open B string for the G chord, and you're gonna play down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, clap. Okay, it's a long one, so. Okay, so again, down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, clap. And then you just switch to D and play 1 down. And that's it. And here you want to emphasize on the 3rd fret B string. And then you go back and play that round again. So you play that for 2 rounds. So slowly like this. And then you go to final chord, the A, and here you want to emphasize the 2nd fret B string and play that in the same way as you play the G. And the final down is to play the same chord, but now you really want to emphasize on the open E strings. You really get open E string notes on that down. On the other strumming rounds here on A, you try to focus on the B string, which means you try to leave out the E string from that part of A. But then when you come to the final down, you really want to have that part of it to get the open E string. So A will be like this. I play that for 2 times, so. And then you go back and do the same, and that's it. So a round of this goes like this. Alright, so I think you understand that is how you handle Alessia Cara's Isn't It Obvious? A great song. Give it a try, and if you enjoyed this, feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.